Assalamu alaikum guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make an easy, quick, simple 7-layer dip. So let's get started here. I'm just mixing up some freshly made guacamole. If you want the in detail video for that, it'll be in the description box below, as well as my bean dip video, so go check that out. So here are some clips from the bean dip video. Okay, on to the 7-layer dip. So in my serving dish, I just added the bean dip, and here I have about a cup of sour cream, and I'm going to add that to my dish. You can add less or more sour cream depending on what you like. And here I'm just going to get a nice even layer. With the 7-layer dip, you want to make sure that your layers are really nice and even. And yeah, so I'm just going to really nicely mix that. Here I have the guacamole that I made earlier, and I'm just going to also spread that out nice and evenly. Here I have cheddar cheese, about half a cup. You can use any cheese. I just had cheddar cheese on hand, so that's what I'm using. And I'm just gonna make that a nice even layer. Here I have 2 diced tomatoes, and I'm just gonna spread that out. And I'm going to be garnishing with black olives, about half a cup of black olives. And here I have some green onion, just adding on top for a little color. And we're done. Here is the amazing, delicious 7-layer dip. It was really quick and easy to make. It took no time at all. It's great for parties, movie nights, basically any occasion. This will be a really nice dish to have. I really recommend making this. It's a really nice, colorful appetizer. Tastes good, it's easy to make, and I hope you guys try this out. And please let me know in the comments section below what you think of this. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. And here I'm trying to take a bite out of the 7-layer dip. This is a really nice, simple recipe, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.